Hey, good morning. It's Shalina here from M7 Properties. I hope that you are well. Just coming with a really quick update. We are at the process. No, not process. Let's start again. Hey, Shalina here from M7 Properties. Wanted to just come on really quickly to just share where we are in our journey. My husband and I have very full-time jobs actually, and are building our business alongside that with 2 children. So yeah, life can get quite hectic and quite busy, but where we're at the moment, we have decided on our investing area, and we're starting to look for deals. We're starting to look for properties that we can invest into. We are going to be getting into the HMO space, so properties for sharers, and that's really exciting for us to turn something quite basic into something really special. So that's what we are, that's our focus, and yeah, we're just working on stacking deals and looking at the numbers and making sure that you know, what we find actually is a deal and gives us the return that we're expecting. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, then please go ahead and do that, and we'll be coming back with a video on how we stack our deals, what we include, what we look for. And really that just helps you before you go out and start viewing properties. It helps you to save time really, because you're not running around the UK looking at every property on Rightmove, but you have a very clear understanding of what meets your requirements and what your criteria is. So look out for that video, that will be coming up soon. And yeah, have an amazing rest of your day. God bless you.